What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video here on my channel. So this is going to be video number 2 from the termux series. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can install and create Android or Windows or macOS viruses using your Android phone on termux. So the first thing you need to do, go into the description and download Vbug. So after downloading that, just extract to your internal storage, which is going to be in any directory, I guess, and I'm just going to use my SD card. So the password will be C7, like small letter C and 7, then extract. Okay, so as soon as, let's just make sure that it has been extracted in my, okay, so as you see here, Vbug has been extracted. So after that happens, go back to termux and then install. If you're just installing this application, install, just type pkg install python 2. I've already installed this package, so it's just gonna say already installed, but for you it will say yes or no. Just say yes and then it will check, I think, roughly 20 or 30 megabytes. So after that, let's just type cd, and then if you don't see this folder here written storage, all you have to do is type termux-setup and then storage. That is if you don't see the storage folder showing up on your termux. So after this, you just press allow and then you go back cd ls and then cd and then you to which folder you are. If you see your folder here, but I'm guessing you're gonna have to go cd first, then storage, and then you will see your folders here. So due to the way my phone has been routed and some folders are not in their right place, I'm facing problems. All my files are in the shared folder. So if you have the same problem, if you don't see Vbug right here, all you have to do is type cd and then go to the shared folder and then ls, and then you see all of my folders which are in the SD card are now being showed here. So as you see, Vbug is right here at the bottom. Just want to go cd Vbug, enter, and then let's just check. And then as you see, we have all this 8 of these files. So you just want to go python 2 vbug.py, and then you just press enter again. And then as you see, we are now on the home page of Vbug Maker. So if you want to make for Android, you just want to press 1. If you want for Windows, that's 2. For macOS, which is 1/3. But obviously, if you're watching this video, I'm gonna guess you're gonna go for Android or Windows. So for Android, as you see now, here's the fun part. We have 2, 4, 5. We have 5 viruses for Android, which are all at the your fingertips. So we are going to explain some of these. So bootloop, your phone will just be stuck on the boot animation, which will be, if it's Samsung, it's just gonna keep on saying Samsung to forever, to I think your battery just dies out on you. And then data eater it will delete your pictures, music, basically anything that is taken up as storage on your phone. Freeze, your phone will just be stuck in that same position, or if you're in gallery, you're just stuck there until it switches off. If you're using a phone with an unremovable battery, unfortunately it's a dead end for you. But if you could try to restart, which is very impossible. So that will be just it for this video. If you enjoyed it, if you want to know more, if this series are doing pretty well, I will try to go up to maybe episode 10, which will be showing you different tricks and how to on termux only. So we just started this now, I think last week. We just started this last week. So if you enjoyed, press the like, do subscribe, share it to your friends. Let's continue this in the comment section or on Twitter. That will be it for this video. It's caught in the
crossfire.